Experiencing low volume on your AirPods, even when the device volume is maxed? You're not alone. This issue commonly affects AirPods Pro first and second generation, AirPods third generation, and AirPods Max. We'll break down the likely causes, from software glitches to hardware issues, and guide you through practical solutions. The causes range from software glitches that misinterpret volume commands to hardware degradation from wear and tear. We'll cover recent developments and what to do as of early 2026. Apple has addressed many issues through firmware updates and iOS enhancements. These updates have resolved most issues, though hardware problems may persist in older models. Stay tuned as we explore practical solutions to get your AirPods back to full volume. Often, low volume is due to software bugs. First, ensure your iPhone or iPad is running the latest iOS. Then, check for AirPods firmware updates through your device's settings. A simple reset can also work wonders. To reset, place your AirPods in their case, close the lid, wait 30 seconds, then open the lid and press the Setup button on the back until the status light flashes amber, then white. Reconnect to your device. Earwax buildup is a common culprit behind low volume on AirPods. Use a soft, dry, lint-free cloth to gently clean the speaker mesh on your AirPods. For stubborn buildup, use a soft bristled brush or a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. Being careful not to get any liquid inside the AirPod. Consistent cleaning can significantly improve audio output. Bluetooth interference from other devices can weaken the audio signal. Move away from potential sources of interference, like microwaves or other wireless devices. On your device, check audio settings. Make sure volume limits are disabled in settings under Music, and that EQ settings aren't inadvertently lowering the volume. If software updates, resets, and cleaning your AirPods don't resolve the low volume issue, the problem may be hardware related. First, inspect your AirPods for any physical damage, including cracks in the casing or worn out components that could affect audio output. If your AirPods are still under warranty, which typically covers 1 to 2 years from purchase, reach out to Apple support for a free repair or replacement of the affected hardware. In older AirPods models, battery degradation over time can lead to reduced volume output. In such cases, consider battery service or replacement through Apple to restore proper audio performance. Certain accessibility features in iOS can impact your AirPods volume balance. Features like mono audio and headphone accommodations might be causing the low volume issue you're experiencing. To check these settings, navigate to Settings on your iOS device, then tap Accessibility, and finally Audio Visual. In the Audio Visual section, make sure mono audio is turned off. This feature combines stereo sound into mono, which can make volume sound lower. Next, check Headphone Accommodations. This feature adjusts audio for hearing needs, but might be set in a way that reduces volume. You can adjust it to your preference or disable it completely to test if it fixes the low volume. Apple's Find My app includes diagnostic tools that can help identify issues with your AirPods. While it won't directly fix low volume, checking your AirPods status in the app can reveal connection problems or other underlying issues that might be contributing to the problem. Start by opening the Find My app on your iPhone. Then tap on the Devices tab to see all your connected devices. Look for your AirPods in the list of devices. Check that your AirPods are properly connected and recognized. If they show as disconnected or have errors, this could indicate a problem affecting volume. Using the Find My Apps diagnostics can help you identify if connection issues are causing your low volume problems with AirPods. Looking ahead, AI driven audio optimization promises to automatically adjust volume levels based on your environment and listening habits. Experts recommend regular maintenance and staying updated with the latest firmware. Remember, proactive cleaning and software updates are key to preventing low volume issues and ensuring your AirPods deliver optimal audio performance for years to come.